Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Tesla Model Y air filter. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 Torx driver. Make sure you have 2 new HEPA cabin air filters specifically designed for your Model Y. Before starting, park your vehicle on a flat surface and power it completely off for safety. Next, we'll access the filter compartment. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the passenger side footwell trim panel. Once that's off, you'll see the lower panel. Remove the 2 T20 Torx screws holding it in place. Then, gently disconnect any electrical connectors attached to this panel, allowing you to fully remove it. Now you're ready to replace the filters. Locate the air filter housing cover, which usually has a clip or two. Unclip it and carefully pull out the 2 old cabin air filters. Pay attention to their orientation. Then, insert your 2 new HEPA filters, ensuring the airflow arrows point towards the rear of the vehicle for proper function. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the lower panel you removed earlier. Carefully position the lower panel back into place and secure it with the 2 T20 Torx screws. Lastly, snap the passenger side footwell trim panel back into its original position until it's flush and secure. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.